Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will show you beautiful baby string crafts ideas. So I hope viewers here enjoy my videos, so please subscribe to my YouTube channel, press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So friends, my first idea is viewers, friends, small stones and babies may look simple, but with a little creative they can become beautiful decoration for your home. Babel are perfect for creating nature, peaceful and unique decor. One simple idea is to make a Babel centerpiece. Place smooth stones in a beautiful bowl or tray and add a candle, small plants or flowers. This can create a clean and natural look. You can also make beautiful Babel art. Arrange stones to create flowers, trees, bird, butterfly, heart or simple landscape. Different shape and size of stones can be used to create interesting design. Another lovely idea is a Babel photo frame. Decorate a simple frame with small stones and a lid. Add your favorite picture. This can make a simple frame look peaceful and handmade. Babels can be used to decorate plant pots. Glue small stones around a plain photo to create a signature stone design. This look is especially beautiful with green plants and flowers. And if you love unique wall decoration, try making stones wall arts and weavers. Friends, arrange Babels on a wooden board and create a simple picture or pattern. You can make a tree using small stone for the leaves and branch, or create a beautiful family or nature scene. Babels can also be used for candle decoration. Place smooth stones around the candles or inside a glass container. Add a little green and you can create a simple centerpiece for your dining tables. For a bathroom, small stones can create a spa-like feeling. And weavers, my next idea is weavers. Frames. Another creative idea is to make Babel coaster. Arrange flat stone together and join them carefully to create a nature coaster for cup and glass. This stone coaster can look beautiful on a coffee table. So viewers, I hope you enjoy my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest updates viewers. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next